Now that you know how to duplicate a video clip, I'm going to go all the way back to the beginning and go to the next button down on the bottom next to Actions, which is Speed. And as you can see, we have a turtle and we have a rabbit or a hare. And based on how you move that will make your video either go slower if you get it toward the turtle or make it go faster getting it toward the hare. So I'm going to go a couple of down from the middle for the turtle. And as you can see, as the video goes, it's going to be nice and slow. And I'll stop it there. And instead of doing it that way, I'll do it a couple to the other side, more toward the hare. As you can see, it goes a little bit faster. So this is very good for if you want to slow down a video clip. I use it quite a bit if I'm showing students a particular skill that I don't want them to see in normal speed. I actually want to have them see it in a little bit of a slow motion, so that way they can really kind of focus on the exercise. So that's the speed function there. There's also the ability to freeze a clip if you would like. So if I hit the freeze, that main portion that you see highlighted there will freeze, and then it'll go normally. Okay, so there's an option there. You could also add a little bit more. And then you can also reset all of them back to the beginning.